Wait, this is not your normal camping chair. This is so much better. This is a hammock chair. This is how you relax. This is how you get to go camping in style and comfort. This is so much better than your run-of-the-mill camping chair that is flimsy, is cheap. It's terrible. These bags tear like crazy. They're awful. But this hammock chair is super comfortable. It has a pillow, it's got a footrest, and the whole thing rocks just like a hammock. Now, it's super easy and it's super comfortable. You've even got pouches for your water bottle. And then you got this pouch with 3 pockets, 2 on the front, 1 on the back, and you can relax. It is adjustable, so you can adjust the length of the footrest, the back positioning, how far back you recline, so much more. And it's so easy to put together. Let me show you. Right out of the box, you've got just a few components that just goes together in a breeze. You put the left on the left side and the right on the right side, and they have a nice, strong, secure clip so that you know it is on there properly. And then you take your footrest and you put it through the holes on the bottom, and then you secure them with the buckle and secure it with the buckle on both sides. And now you're just about done. And now you put on your 2 side pockets. They can go on either side, wherever you want the cup holder and wherever you want all your pockets. That's it. It is that simple. I just did it in real time in a matter of seconds. And now it's time for a nap. And this is how you enjoy the afternoon. Highly, highly recommend this hammock camping chair. Don't settle for discomfort anymore. It's time to upgrade to the hammock chair you deserve. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.